freehand, and this is going to be a little wobbly, but I'll try to stabilize this. But here we have the Presonus Eris 3.5 Bluetooth speakers. They are a lot smaller than I anticipated. They are bookshelf speakers, but these were like $140 for the Bluetooth version and $100 for wired version. And it is smaller than my BX5 M-Audios, significantly smaller, and I feel like I should have gotten the 4.5s, which are slightly bigger. Now I imagine by the size of this you won't get that much bass response, but there's been devices that are small that have been louder than expected. Maybe not so much in bass response. HomePod Mini, for example, small device, but it gets pretty damn loud. Bass response is frequency wise it wasn't all there, but it tried. So hopefully this is okay. This is the, what is this, the left side, the right side. This is the left speaker. So the left speaker is where all the power is coming from. You have the acoustic tuning here. You have the low tuning here. Well, the acoustic tuning with the highs and lows. So you can adjust the highs and the lows. I have it set to 0 because I do want a flatter response. But if I wanted the highs to be a little better and the lows to be a little lower, then that's what I'll do. I'll adjust it. Here we have the pair button for Bluetooth pairing. Here we have the input for RCA cables, you know, the old school left and right cables right there. Here we have the TRS cables, left and right. These are for primarily plugging into an audio box, which is what I have way over there under that monitor. Those little boxes you see, those are, well, the one on the right is the audio box, the one on the left is the preamp, but we'll not talk about that right now. That's pretty. For another video, if you're interested, let me know. And I'm clipping the audio right now. I was getting a little too loud and excited. So here's my little gripe with this speakers. I didn't realize this, but since all the power is coming from the left side, the right speaker is a receiver essentially. There's no outlets here, there's no power outlets, doesn't plug in anything. Literally the connection with the right speaker is this thing right here. So this thing right here is where you're connecting red and black wires to the red and black wires over here, and that is how the speaker will be sharing audio signals with the receiver. It involves wires, and I essentially bought this so I can have minimal use of wires, but the fact that I had to connect this to this with wires kind of sucks, but I get what I pay for. It was only $140, and the bigger ones are $229, and I believe it would be the same case. So they're the same speakers, just it's a little bigger. Here we have the power outlet, pretty much is where the power will be coming from here. It plugs into the outlet, and let's see here. That's about it. So, I mean, they are nice, cute little speakers. They are nice, and I'm hoping it delivers on sound quality. So I'm gonna be setting this up here in a bit, and here are the wires that it came with. So this right here, this black and red wire here, that's how you'll be connecting the left speaker and the right speaker, and I hope it's long enough to accommodate the length that I have going over there. So hopefully it works out that way. If not, well, I'll have to figure something out. So I'm gonna dabble with this here in a bit and try to set it up and show you guys how it looks and how it sounds and all that other fun jazz. Alright, see you in a bit. And there's the size comparison between my M-Audio BX5 and the Presonus Eris 3.5. Significantly smaller, but we'll see how it sounds. So these speakers are actually pretty damn good. I am surprised. They're really small, but they really pack a punch. Like compared to my M-Audio BX5s, they're big. And they can get pretty loud. I usually have them set at half volume, and then I set the rest of the volume on the computer. But these guys, I think I have it set on not even maybe 40%, maybe, I don't even know. I think the knob goes all the way to the right, so and I only have it halfway from the left side. It's not even like centered up top, so it's not even like near its peak volume. And for how small these are, and I got my computer volume set at 50% right now, so just let's take a listen.
Got it. Mess with the squad, you try to. Go against us, how they got it. All of my bros, we got it. They know for sure, we got it. Been on a roll, we got it. We cannot go without it. Mess with the squad, you try to. Go against us, how they got it. Been on a roll, we got it. We cannot go without it. I feel exotic, can't mess with the toxic, curvy little body, be all on. Keeping it spicy, you know that I got it. If she need it, just call. moment, yeah. We got it, got it. She picking and choosing in love with the moment, yeah. We got it, got it. They cannot do what we doing, you see how we moving, we got it. Mess with the squad, you try to go against us, how highly doubt it. All of my bros, we got it. They know for sure, we got it. Been on the road, we got it. We cannot go without it. Mess with the squad, you try.
Yeah, so that is pretty good if you ask me, and this is just a quick impressions video. I'm not even gonna call this a review. So I literally just unboxed it and I started testing the audio, and this is through Bluetooth right now. You can connect TRS cables to it or RCA cables to your computer, or do an audio aux cord. It does have an aux in, and it does have a headphone jack as well on the left speaker where all the power is coming from, and so far I'm pretty impressed. So I mean, this is a different style video. I don't have my usual setup. I'm kind of like doing a vlog impressions unboxing kind of thing, and I don't know, if you like it, thumbs it up. If you don't, thumbs it down twice, so that way you don't leave any negativity on my channel, because I don't like that. I don't like the negativity. Take that somewhere else. Shoot. But yeah, if you're new to the channel, this is what I do: unboxings, impressions, reviews of tech stuff. Anything new I get that's tech related, I'm probably gonna try to unbox it. I may do quick impressions or play with it for a little bit and then review it, and make a review video, and you'll see if you guys maybe liked it, the product. Maybe you'll want to invest in it too. So far I like these Presonus speakers. They're small, and I do have an idea of maybe redoing my desk, maybe. So I don't know. I want to use it for my Mac and my desktop. Since it's Bluetooth, I can just connect it in and out. But if I'm using both at the same time, I might redo my desk setup. I might do it. I like the dual monitor stuff, but the whole aesthetic to me is just, I don't know. I like the dual monitor setup, but if I'm going from like a Mac to Windows, I don't really use both monitors at the same time like that anyway. And if I wanted to, I could still just have the monitor right here in this area, and then put my other MX audio speakers here. I don't know, I might do some rearranging when I have an off day, so that's irrelevant. So anyway, hold this tracking. There we go. Alright, so that's it for this video. If you like it, thumbs it up. Like I said, I'm done. I'm talking too much. Nothing I say anymore is relevant to these speakers. So take care. Peace. I'm out till the next one. Bye. I don't know what that was.